Pretty simple, basic. When we're traveling, meals with pasta, potatoes, rice, just simple and easy. One of the biggest challenges is almost wishing you had more hands, because when you're moving around you have to hold on to everything. So one of the first mistakes I made was letting go of a pitcher of a cream sauce I was making, and it was on the floor 2 seconds later. But, you know, you're being tossed back and forth, and so things don't stay still. This is the neatest thing here. The stove is actually on gimbals. I can take it off these bolts here. So no matter how much the boat is moving, whatever's on the stove will stay level. So it moves like this. And you'll see it sloshes about some, but works pretty neat. This is our main dish area. Pots and pans, spices. Everything is behind bars or strings to keep it from falling out. Tonight we're making steamed greens, steamed kale, and a rice dish, salad, and bread.
What's for dessert?
We haven't gotten that far yet.